Welcome to the MSC Seaside Naming Ceremony Blue Carpet Pre-Show sponsored by Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. I'm going to be your host this evening, Mario Lopez, and we're here in beautiful Miami, Florida. Great music in the background to celebrate the newest member to the MSC family. Inspired by the beach condos that make Miami famous, MSC Seaside has a number of distinctive and innovative design features and offers an extensive variety of accommodation, dining, obviously beautiful open views of the ocean right here, and entertainment options that are sure to delight every guest. There is so much excitement around MSC Seaside. Tonight's festivities in Miami are the culmination of events beginning a month ago over in Italy.
Sta facendo il suo ingresso in teatro il Presidente della Repubblica.
Benvenuto ancora una volta Presidente.
Gentili ospiti.
La città di Monfalcone vi dà il benvenuto.
Oggi qui in questa bellissima giornata.
Grazie a tutti per essere oggi qui con noi a celebrare insieme la consegna di MSC Seaside.
Pier Francesco Vago, what an amazing name and such an amazing night, and congratulations. How does it feel, sir, to see your incredible vision finally come to light?
First of all, good evening, everybody. Thank you, Mario, for being with us here tonight.
My pleasure to be here.
And, well, it's a great moment for us, for sure. MSC has been waiting and looked forward for this moment for a long time. We designed this ship 6 years ago, totally innovative. We wanted to bring back the people closer to the sea when they go cruising, and we have such a generous space outside, so that makes the ship look so different. And the ship almost looks like a Miami condo, so that's where the condo envy comes. And MSC Seaside is here, and I think she will make lots of heads turn.
I was walking around the ship, and my head was just sort of rubbernecking everywhere because it's so incredible to see, and it's literally like a beautiful town on the water. It being a next generation a ship, what do you think the future holds as far as MSC and ships and cruise lines?
Well, we have many orders, other ships, other prototypes. Actually, we have 10 ships that will be delivered in the next 7 years.
Wow.
So we're going to triple the capacity. That means a $13 billion investment, so a very strong industrial plan. And the new prototypes, new platform of ships. So we really want to conquer the North American market, and we want to do it in a big way with many wow effects.
And for those who are watching who have never perhaps been on a ship before or experienced a cruise line, why is it a great spot to vacation, and specifically with MSC?
Well, not only cruising, MSC is value for money, but you know, a lot of people think of cruising like in the old days. You know, remember the love boats,
right?
For old people, expensive, boring. You know, you gotta wear a black tie every night. Ships, the new, these innovative ships, they are a destination on their own. I mean, they offer so much. Not only every day you wake up in a different country, in safety, in security, in comfort, but every night you can experience a different bar, a different restaurant, different venue, a different entertainment. So that's what makes it so attractive, and that's why tourism, vacation in general now are getting closer and more into cruising. And this is why MSC wants to offer the little extra, a little harder.
Awesome. Well, I look forward to going with my family. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much.
And
Ryan.
again,
Thank you for being with
congratulations.
us. Thank
My
you so
pleasure.
much.
Thank you. All right. Well, MSC Cruises is proud to partner with the Andre Bocelli Foundation. The AFB's goal is to provide long-term support to the Haitian leadership and to raise worldwide attention on the great needs of Haiti. And as we know, Haiti's going through a lot, and since 2012, they've participated in educational and economical development projects in the poorest and the most remote communities in the country. Let's take a look right now.
With you, we bring to entire communities education, care, water, and hope. With you, we work so that those who deserve it can express their potential at their best. With you, we grow talents. With you, we build a life of opportunities and beauty. With you, we can make the difference.
Well, we certainly hope you'll consider helping MSC Cruises and the Andrea Bocelli Foundation continue their mission of empowering people in vulnerable communities. To donate, please follow the instructions at the bottom of the screen. All right, without further ado, the one and only, the ageless.
Hey, Mario.
Sit down,
How you doing,
Marino.
buddy?
If I can
Good
get
to
over
see you,
here,
man.
sir. They
Okay.
want to get a nice close-up camera.
All right, good.
You are
good.
looking
Good to see you,
great,
man.
sir.
What's
Thank you
up?
so much.
You
Thank
too,
you so
brother.
much.
What's
You
up?
know, when I think of Miami, I think of obviously beautiful people and culture and music and food, and you, Dan Marino.
Oh,
I think you've become
thank you,
synonymous with
partner.
the cities, and what a great city to be
It
a
is,
part of.
It is, and it's fun tonight. You know, we have MSC had launching this big, beautiful boat. I was on it earlier today.
Oh, I was just going to ask, have you had a
Awesome.
chance to be on it?
Yeah, and then we have the partnership with the Miami Dolphins.
Right. Talk a little bit about
And,
that.
Well, the partnership is that they're our sponsor for the Dolphins, and I'm sure they're going to do some cruises as time goes on with some of the players and fans, which I think they're going to have an event with some of the players being with fans on the cruise ship.
Oh,
so that's going to be
nice.
awesome.
That's
Yeah,
nice.
Yeah, but it's awesome. You've been on it yet?
I have. I didn't get to check out the whole thing because it takes a minute.
It does take a minute, though. There's no
to
doubt
kinda
about it, 'cause
go-
it's big.
You know,
It's
and the
big.
family went on our cruise for the first time. It was a lot of fun. It was a
Yeah.
lot of fun. So I'm hoping to meet the right people to go on this one. But
Yeah.
that's a great partnership. Thank you so much for taking the time to be here tonight for your involvement.
Yeah.
Always
Cool,
a pleasure
man.
to see you.
You're good, Mario.
Well,
Good
we'll
to
have
see
a
you,
good
brother.
time tonight. Thank
Yeah,
you, sir.
All the best,
Thank you.
brother.
All right, you
Okay,
too.
Thanks.
Well, that does it for us out here on the MSC Seaside Naming Ceremony Blue Carpet Pre-Show, sponsored by Hewlett Packard Enterprise. But stick around because we got a lot more excitement in store. All leading up, of course, to the big moment when the MSC Seaside is christened by the godmother, the legendary Sophia Loren.
Yeah.
There we go.
Was I supposed to?
This was my dream. I think everybody in life has got a dream, and as you know, I was a captain, and my dream was to become a ship owner. And when you want to become a ship owner, you have to start sometime. The terminal, as you know, are strategic, and only the people who have a berth and who have a terminal can operate. So the reason why we invested in terminal is just to ensure the continuation of our business. We try to understand the problem of the client, and we try to cooperate with the client and to try to find a solution for the client.
MSC Genève, bonjour.
Hi, good afternoon. Singapore MSC.
We are consistent in what we do and the commercial approach that we have. For us, a client is a client forever. So I always tell my manager that we have to conquer people, we don't have to buy people. And conquer people means that we have to give to the people so much that they can love the company and stay in the company.
Ladies and gentlemen, please take your seats. The ceremony is about to begin. Ladies and gentlemen, please take your seats. The ceremony will now begin.
This was my dream. I think everybody in life has got a dream, and as you know, I was a captain, and my dream was to become a ship owner. And when you want to become a ship owner, you have to start sometime. The terminal, as you know, are strategic, and only the people who have a berth and who have a terminal can operate. So the reason why we invested in terminal is just to ensure the continuation of our business. We try to understand the problem of the client, and we try to cooperate with the client and try to find a solution for the client.
MSC Genève, bonjour. Hi, good afternoon. Singapore MSC.
We are consistent in what we do and the commercial approach that we have. For us, a client is a client forever. So I always tell my manager that we have to conquer people, we don't have to buy people. And conquer people means that we have to give to the people so much that they can love the company and stay in the company.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome. Buenas noches y bienvenidos, señoras y señores. Buonasera e benvenuti, signore e signori. On behalf of MSC Cruises and the Aponte family, I have the pleasure to welcome you all to the beautiful city of Miami for the inauguration of MSC Seaside. We would also like to greet MSC friends from all over the world who are following the ceremony on Facebook, on YouTube, and our websites. Please, let's greet them with a big, big round of applause. Hi, friends, we are here, next to you and you next to us. And of course, for everybody, continue to post and share your photos from on board and during the ceremony to hashtag MSC Seaside. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor to introduce tonight's Master of Ceremonies for this great event. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming the Emmy Award-winning host of Extra. Ladies and gentlemen, Mario Lopez! Welcome, Mario!
What's up, Miami? Oh, they got the music going? Well, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I'm so excited to be here. Any opportunity to get to come to Miami, I'd like to jump on it. Such beautiful people and culture and wonderful events like this. And to officially welcome MSC Seaside to her new home here in beautiful Miami. And a special thank you, by the way, to all of you watching from afar via the live stream this evening. We're all very excited to have you joining us here as well. So thank you very much. Now, MSC Seaside was designed with you, the guests, in mind to bring you closer to the sea, literally, and closer to the luxury we expect from every MSC cruise ship. As we all know by now, Seaside is nothing like any other ship. She is the first of her kind, with the most outdoor public space ever. And of course, the most beautiful Miami-inspired condo balconies that make it the hottest ship to sail all over the Caribbean. Now, personally, I cruised around the ship. It's so awesome. I can't wait to take my family there. And I got to meet all the wonderful people behind it. One of those being who I have the honor to introduce right now. Please welcome to the stage the man with the coolest name ever, Mr. Pier Francesco Vago, Executive Chairman of MSC Cruises. Thank you, sir.
Bienvenido a Miami. Dear guests, ladies and gentlemen, dear authorities, dear mayor, good evening, Miami. We are finally here. What a great honor to stand here in front of you. This is certainly not my first time in Miami, but this time, of course, is very special. We are here to celebrate the naming of a ship that has been designed for this city. Please join me for a big round of applause for MSC Seaside. It has taken a lot of effort and vision to get to where we are here tonight. In the first 10 years, we built 12 vessels, more than one a year. We grew by 800%, double-digit growth year on year. We became a global company, a global brand, 67 MSC Cruises offices internationally. We became the #1 cruise line in Europe and South America. Gianni Onorato, our CEO, joined me in 2013. Together, we led the team of talented professionals. We accelerated the pace of growth. We are now entering a new phase. We are investing a further $12 billion, building 12 more cruise ships. The first 6 will be ready here in only 3 years, and again in 3 brand new prototypes. We will double the capacity by 2020 We will triple it by 2026. This is what has allowed us to finally have the tonnage to serve, finally, the North American market. Many of you know MSC Divina, now MSC Seaside. MSC Meraviglia will follow by 2019. And that, yet another brand new prototype, where we designed a purpose-built space that hosts the legendary Cirque du Soleil. And in the meantime, we are designing yet another prototype, the MSC World Class, LNG powered. The environment is another challenge that our maritime expertise has helped addressing. But today we are here to celebrate this amazing prototype, conceived to make heads turn with their groundbreaking design. And a concept that I think will lead to many interpretations, no doubt, in the future. MSC Cruises is the world's largest, and we saw in the movie, privately held cruise line, wholly owned by the Ponte family. The whole of the MSC Group is a family company. Shipping has been in our blood for more than 300 years now. Shipping is all we do. Cruises, but also ferries. In cargo, MSC Group is the second largest operator in the world, operating over 500 ships, and the #1 in North America. MSC Hans is here, and not by pure chance, as a testimony to that. MSC Group is also the 6th largest terminal operator in the world. We actually have a turnover of exceeding $30 billion. One group employs in excess of 100,000 people. Cruises with the new ships will add 6,000 people every year. Our people is what makes us unique. You heard it, we are a family. We give a lot, we fight, and we make up like a family. In 45 years, we never paid $1 of dividends, and I'm the proven example of it. Look at my frustration. So we reinvest in our business, we invest in our people. That's the strength, that's the leadership that we heard before. This has been an incredible journey, one that would have not been possible without the leadership, the vision, and the support of Gianluigi Aponte, the ship owner, a captain himself. Mr. Aponte believed in the potential of the cruise project and helped us turn his vision into a reality. Today, I really want to thank him on behalf of the whole MSC Cruises team for his confidence. Thank you.